Ever since 1980, video game NPCs have shared a common affliction: eternal amnesia. No matter how many times you save their village or betray their trust, reloading a session resets their memory to zero. Meet Revenant, a cognitive state engine that gives NPCs persistent, evolving, and interconnected memories. Built for the Cognee Hackathon, it turns game worlds into living knowledge graphs where actions propagate and memories persist across sessions. Revenant's architecture links Next.js and a fast API backend directly to Cognee Cloud. Every event, dialogue, and player action is structured as semantic ontology entries, QA, traces, and feedback, and fed into Cognee's vector graph pipeline. Here's the live Cognee Cloud console. It automatically parses our raw text events into a structured 5-column ontology, mapping raw documents to semantic chunks like Ilara's magical abilities, extracting entity values like 200 gold, and grounding them under our custom schema. Under the Mind Map tab, we can trace all 196 relationships live, showing how a specific dialogue chunk dynamically links to Silas's daughter in the graph. Let's test Silas. We ask him to forge a sword on credit. The backend streams a structured Gemini dialogue response while writing a QA entry directly into Silas's Cognee session memory. His trust score fluctuates dynamically based on our promise. But what if we betray him? If our trust score drops below 40, Silas triggers the rumor mill. An asynchronous Cognee pipeline propagates our crime across graph edges, warning Ilara and Kale. You can watch the warning links form live on the interactive graph. When we approach Kyle, he's already hostile. Asking how he knows this invokes a Cognee recall with graph completion multi-hop traversal. The engine resolves the citation path, player to Silas to Kyle, showing exactly who told who, when, and why. We also built the Zone of Truth fact checker. For 10 gold, you can test any statement. The backend queries Silas's memories and backstory, returning a verified verdict of true, false, or unknown with reasoning. Silas owes Ilara a life debt, and the spell proves it. If things go sideways, cast the amnesia spell. By paying 50 gold, Cognee severs the memories document _ID. The node dissolves on our graph, and a re-verification check confirms the wipe. Open the cloud audit to see real-time Cognee session telemetry and cumulative API costs. If you prefer a direct text interface, we also built a clean conversational chat UI mode. It integrates all the same Cognee memory paths, session telemetry logs, and graph visualization in a distraction-free screen layout. This hackathon taught us how to model complex OWL ontologies and handle real-world asynchronous database lockups, ensuring game systems remain robust and cost-transparent even under heavy LLM load. Revenant shows how Cognee Cloud changes NPC behaviors from scripted machines to evolving minds. Check out our repository and deploy your own cognitive worlds today. Thank you.